Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing, is it time to really bail from the Ethereum ship? Well, today let's look at some news. So Bitcoin, and today we have it at a 1.22% up and a minus 7.18% down, with Ethereum at minus 0.63% for the 24-hour period, and we have minus 12.72% down for the week. Tether is looking at a little rough here at 0.02% and 0.02 for the week as well. Cordano is up 0.108% and a minus of 5.58% for the week. Binance, we're sitting right at minus 1.01% and a minus 10.76 for the week as well. Coming down to Solana, you can see the Solana is minus 1.92% of the day and minus 1.9%, 90% for the week. Polkadot's looking pretty good at plus 3.25% for the day and minus 9.47 for the week as well. When we're looking at Dogecoin, it's minus 1.07% and minus 12.46 for the week. All right, so let's take a look at some of our charts. So here we can look. Here is Bitcoin looking kind of bearish here, not looking too great. So it did take a fall right here, as you can see, coming down from this big uptick here when the course of the China did release that repeated news of the downfall that they're going to refuse Bitcoin. So it kind of taken an uptick here, and it's looking a little bit bearish again. But as you can see, when we look at the patterns kind of from over here to the side, that is okay. So in this time, we did have a lot of news that was kind of really hurting Bitcoin in general, and of course Ethereum, Solana, all as well. But it does look like everybody was attacking this when was attacking cryptocurrency during this time frame. So between June and August, and of course we had that big uptick here as well. So it started to become a little bit bullish. All right, now looking at Cordano. Cordano is actually taking a big uptick as well, looking a little bearish, kind of hanging out on the lines of support, looking pretty good. So it is a little we're kind of bleeding out, and everybody is getting a little worried as everybody's panicking. Oh my God, what am I going to do? I'm going to sell, which this is kind of making a really good time to buy at the moment when you are looking at this right now, because it does make you a little bit worried, but we can see in the near future. All right. Now looking at Ethereum, you can see as well, if this is the big speak of today. Looking at Ethereum, we did have this information when you're looking at the map just right here. And I'm going to show you right here when we're looking at it here, the 20th. We had some pretty bad news considering China, but it's kind of hanging out there on the resistance, as you can see. And it was starting to kind of pick up a little bit, but it's coming down, which is still bleeding out and making everybody kind of panic. So I'm not going to sell now. If you want to be rich with cryptocurrency, it is not necessarily the time to completely sell out. It looks like they're just trying to get rid of some people by kind of manipulating the market, especially China here, because they're repeating that news that China is banning cryptocurrency, which is kind of the regurgitation that you're seeing over and over and over again. So it looks like it's a little bit of manipulation for the market. So don't buy into that FUD just yet. And when you're looking at too as well for Ethereum, it is the kind of the same pattern that's looking over, and the same, of course, we have that same information such as this when we were having problems with Bitcoin and everybody was attacking the cryptocurrency. And of course, Ethereum felt that as well. As you can see, when you compare the two charts between Ethereum and Bitcoin, it looks rather the same. So just hang out in there and just hold on. So of course, if you're wanting to kind of buy into cryptocurrency now, especially Ethereum, it's probably a good time to buy. So we're kind of bleeding out and kind of getting away of everybody. So there will be, I think it's going to really start to look a little bit bullish, but it's too early to tell. So we can, bearish, so it will go up. Just kind of be patient here, and you can see that this pattern is repeating itself. So great time to kind of go ahead and buy in if you want, and then kind of just kind of hold on to it, and you'll see that it'll actually take that same uptick. The same as well, as you can see just about right in here, it did take that big pickup here, and I would expect for it to continue as well here. So we kind of hold on to the lines of support. And it does look like it's about 45,000 for the others too as well. And considering that that's the daily close at about 45,000, Kentoshi did state that to kind of watch out for about 44 and 6 as well. So you can buy into that dip and look kind of successful here as we go. So we are going to see that everybody is panicking and going to kind of jump ship and sell everything that they have. But it's a great time to, when you see that dip kind of coming in, you can kind of buy into that and then watch it grow as you wish. All right. So in other news today, let's take a look. So that huge update for the crypto game, the NFT game here, Crypto Kingdoms NFT game, is one of the hottest upcoming IGO coming to Citify in September 2021. So CryptoBlades has been the most played game in Binance Smart Chain, and that popularity is now getting rolled over to their new game, CryptoBlades Kingdom. Now, why do we think that this is an IGO we don't want to miss out on? Well, we can participate in the IGO. Well, Altcoins Buzz does a detailed review. All right. So Ripple X grants $2 million to row NFT solutions on the XRP ledger. So NFT on Ripple's blockchain? Well, who would have thought? Ripple X just gave over $2 million in grants for developers working on NFT solutions. Also, Stay and Ripple grants, and Luna ain't having any of China's BS. So it looks like Luna is fighting back. So don't worry, do keep an eye on that as well. And Bitcoin is the most illiquid it's ever been. So now the new look at the current state of the crypto markets through numbers, including Bitcoin's illiquid supply, Lightning Network capacity, and Evergrande's debt, the total value of CryptoPunks, and much more. All right, El Salvador's Chivo and Bitcoin adoption and mind-blowing facts and stats. So why didn't we think of measuring Chivo and Bitcoin adoption this way? So of course, zero anecdotal evidence, only facts, numbers, and reports from wherever we get them. And what do we know about Chivo's wallet's Lightning node? Now, what the app besides the government wallet are the Salvadorians using? Are they happy with him? And investor and blogger Kevin Rook has a fresh take on El Salvador's adoption as well. So you can take a look at that here. That's all we have for today. Do subscribe, smash the like button, and let us know what you think.